I stopped going to school at the age of 6. The best I did in school was elementary 3. I never go beyond that in a 4-corner.
Just as we were told education is the key to one's success, but one's success may not only come from formal education. At the tender age of 6, Cosmas Maduka dropped out of school and he turned a billionaire in the future. He is the son of Mr. Peter and Mrs. Rose Maduka, who was born on December 25, 1958 in Jos. At the age of 4, Cosmas' father died. Just 2 years after, he had to stop school to help his mother by hawking. He became his uncle's automobile apprentice when he arrived in Lagos. His uncle sent him away at the age of 17 and left him with 200 naira. His first business, after starting a spare parts company, cost Dave with his close friend called Dave, wasn't fruitful. Not discouraged by the first failure, he invested another 300 nairas into a new business he started called Coscharis Motors, which also operated in the selling of vehicle spare parts. In 1982, Cosmas Maduka had his breakthrough after the Nigerian government approved the license for the importation of vehicles to 10 motor companies with Coscharis inclusive. From there, Coscharis became big until it became the main distributor of BMW vehicles in Nigeria. He also got into rice farming on about 5,000 hectares of land which was granted by the Anambra State in 2016. In the year 2015, he appeared on the cover of Forbes Africa as the man who turned $1 to $500 million. The billionaire who didn't sit in class has a number of honorary degrees. He bagged an honorary doctorate degree in business administration from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. After completing an executive education program, he was appointed as an alumni of the Harvard Business School in 2012. In 2012, he received the National Honors of the Commander of the Order of Niger, (CON), from President Goodluck Jonathan. Despite being a billionaire, Maduka is a very devoted Christian. He was captured sometime preaching in the streets of Lagos. He is married to a beautiful wife called Charity Maduka. Reports from Nigeria Infopedia have it that he is worth $800 million. In sight of Cosmas' story, one can boldly say that lack of formal education doesn't prevent one from attaining his goals and aspirations.